ano lang, parang pang bagong gising ang aking boses. So, super pagod dahil sa ilang araw na biyahe. Oh my God. So, ngayon, nandito kami sa Texas. Lumipat kami ng Texas. And, papunta kami ngayon sa bahay na kinuha namin. Check namin, tour, parang ganun. So, yun. Tapos, update ko kay mamaya. So, this is what Texas looks like. Super daming business, dito. As in, dikit-dikit sila. Ayan, makikita nyo. Ang mga business dito, as in super kulay, para siyang sa Pilipinas na ganito. Ayan, maraming billboard. Ayan, kanya-kanyang billboard sila. Ano yan, left and right, ganyan. So ayun lang ang ganito ang itsura sa Texas. Na-shock nga ako kasi sa Virginia, sa area namin, hindi siya ganito kakulay. As in, tignan nyo. Like I said, ang dami nilang pa-billboard, ang dami nilang pa-sign, ang dami nilang mga sign dito para i-ano yung business nila. So, ayan, mga 19 minutes pa kami bago makarating dun sa bahay.
Miles on the current road.
Mga 19 minutes pa bago kami makarating sa bahay. At saka alam nyo, chinag namin, it's merged. Dinaanan namin siya kahapon. And then, yung sa neighborhood namin, siya, like every kanto, meron siyang stop sign. Kailangan mo mag-stop, ganun. Always stop, ganun. So, napakaganda ng rules sa neighborhood na nakuha naming bahay. Ayun lang. Tapos may update ko kayo, tapos tour ko kayo sa sa bahay. It's our neighborhood, super quiet and safe. So it's okay even we don't. It's dark. Yes.
See, I told you, that's a long ways to fall.
Yeah.
You don't climb the stairs.
Away from the house, so you can, because they couldn't have dirt up against it for the termite. So
Don't go in the.
So are we gonna clean the bottom of the pool?
Why?
It looks dirty all over there. You have to check the bottom. All the downstairs, and we can open that up.
Come here. This is the garage.
No, it's the pool.
No, this is the garage. We have a big garage. This is like
Someone
three garage.
used to live here.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Backyard is not bad. They have TV, and then this is our backyard gate. And look, my mirror pa sila. Hey. Yan. Tapos. Ay, sorry. My nails. Ayan siya. Backyard is not bad. So, ang perfect niya. Perfect. May tree. And ayan yung pool. Yay! For kids. Can't wait. Yes, flowers. I-arrange pa namin yan ng bonggang-bongga. And ayan ang bahay. Kasi, ito yung breakfast nook. Ayan siya. Ganito siya. Tapos, dito naman sa likod ko, ito naman yung laundry thing. And then, ito yung kitchen. Ang best part, of course, dahil ako ay mahilig magluto. Yes. Yes, kitchen. Ito gusto ko ito papalitan ng yung ano, hindi electric. Tapos, ayan yung oven and kitchen is the best part for me since ako ay mahilig magluto. Ayan. Tapos yung ref, oh my gosh, magkakaroon kami ng 3 ref kasi yung owner nito ay iiwanan sa amin yung ref. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, may window dyan. Perfect, diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, ito, yung pantry. Ito yung pantry. So, walk-in pantry siya. Ganyan. Oh. Ikot ka lang ganyan.
This Daddy's office.
Come here. No, that's not Daddy's office. That's our dining room over there. Oh, packed chandelier.
Actually, there's an office.
Yes. Wait, let's wait.
That's Daddy's office.
Yes. And then, here naman, umikot lang ako.
Office.
So, ano to? Ito yung bathroom. Yan yung bathroom.
It's good.
Ayan. Ito yung sa first floor. And then, ano to? Ito yung parang bar. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo. Ayan. Ito yung bar. Ayan. Meron siyang sink. And then, ayan o, diba? Kasi ito, living room na to. Ayan ang aming living room. So, perfect, diba? Ayan ang living room. Tapos, ayan. Ayun yung parang bar. Ngayon. Tapos, ayan. Ito yung door. Ayan, we have a high ceiling. So, ganito siya. Yes. I know. And ang stair pang doon niya. Pak, diba? Chandelier, eh. Tapos, ito yung office. Let's go to the office first. Ito yung magiging office. Wait. Let's find the... yeah, I don't know where's the switch. Oh, there you go. Behind the door. Lock. Oh, there you go. So, yung office, parang gusto ko siyang papinturahan kasi medyo dark siya. Pero, ayan, oh. Ayan. Callie. Ayan siya. Tapos, ito, ano to, hindi to natatanggal. Parang built-in siya, built-in. Tapos, ayan, yung curtain. Of course, papalitan ko yan. Masyadong madark. Tapos, tignan nyo na, Mark. Ito na tayo sa bathroom. Tignan nyo. And then, ito yung bathtub. So, back to back yung mirror.
That's a mess.
That's a big window, isn't it?
Hey, no.
So nobody can see inside. Do you like the big bathtub? Yeah.
Toilet.
Mom, come here. There's a see that.
Yeah.
on a carrier.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
The carrier unit, you can get a dehumidifier and
The whole thing.
yeah.
So this one is loose. This is something you can either fix or you go, if you have a plumber in to take care of some of the things and it works.
That I can take care of.
Can I go upstairs?
It's not
Ito ay...
full cabinet.
Can I go upstairs?
Yeah.
Go find your room.
What are you guys doing?
Ito yung... may save. bongga. Tapos ito kasi yung sa baba yung primary bed. So, ganito yung bedroom. Tapos, ayun yung office. Kung nasaan sila. Tapos, dito. Ito yung pinaka-door. Ayan yung door. Ayan. Pa-door. And ano to? Ito yung hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Ayan. Pak, ang ganda. Ang ganda lang. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung hallway back to front door. Bathroom. Okay. So, let's go upstairs. Tingnan natin sa taas. Yes. 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 Upstairs. Talagang bonger. Oh my gosh. Nakakapagod umakyat. At hindi mo inakala yun. So, ayan ang ilaw. Ito yung room. Oh. Sorry. Oh, may TV na. Oh my gosh, ang dami pang free TV. Ang dami nilang pa freebies. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman yung closet. Ay, bongga, be. Tingnan natin ang ilaw. Kailawan. Ayan. So, ayan. Ang closet. Kelly, this is gonna be your room. And you have your own mirror. She have her own mirror. Oh my gosh. Tapos, ang daming cabinets. Ayan. And then this, her bathtub. Gonna be her bathtub. And then another toilet. I know, wala palang toilet doon. Another toilet here. And this is the extra room. Wala lang to. Extra room lang to. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Siguro pang guest room, ganyan. Tapos, akit tayong ganyan. And makikita natin yung Hollywood. Charis. Ano yan? Ito yung magiging movie theater. I don't know kung makikita niyo siya. Ayan. Ang laki ng room na to and super dark niya. Kelly, no screaming. Kasi ito yung magiging movie theater. So, yung door niya, tingnan nyo ang door. I'll go. 2 doors siya. Tas hallway. Tas another room. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Nakakahilo niya. Ang dami niyang room and ang daming closet, guys. Ganito pala ang magkaroon ng malaking house. Ayan, parang closet to. Closet. Tapos, bathroom. Another bathroom. Ayan, may bathtub, toilet, and mirror again. Ayan. Tapos, ito. Another room. Tapos, closet. Okay. So many doors siya. Ay, okay. Yan lang pala siya.
That goes downstairs too. That's what I was telling you. It's 2 stairs.
Okay. Stair. Pero, ayan yung hallway sa taas. And then, meron pa siyang another stair. Pababaan naman to. Papunta tayo ng breakfast nook.